Hi, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, kings and queens, I am back with another video, but this video specifically is for the guys. I'm gonna tell you the 10 things girls want but won't admit that they want that. So stay tuned to know what is the number one thing that girls want you to do but won't ever admit that they want you to do that. Girls, I didn't snitch. I'm just telling your requests to the guys so that they can treat you good, okay? So don't ping me in the comments saying that I snitched, cause I didn't. I'm just revealing the secret. So guys, pay attention, and the girls, just keep watching and tell me in the comments if I was right or wrong. So let's go. And number 10, we girls love when you guys text us randomly throughout the day, and even if you're asking little things about how we're doing or what we had for lunch, it's like so sweet, and that makes us fall for you even more. It's like, guys, if you're dating a girl, just text her randomly throughout the day if she had a meals or not, or she is drinking something, or she has drunk water or hydrated. That'll literally make her simp over you, boys. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're texting your girl. And number 9, what was this? What was that, James? If you know what I just said, just comment down below. And number 9, we have when you ask us out, the girls out, to hang out with the boys or the friend group. It's like, oh my god, you even considered me. Oh my god, thank you. Yes, just invite your girl out anywhere, for even just going out and sitting in the park. It's like gonna make her like, yes sir, you're my king. That is literally gonna steal your girl's heart if you do that. So next, moving on to number 8. Number 8 is, okay, this one is like the basic one, but when you guys make us laugh, like, wow, monsieur, thank you. Genuinely making a girl's laugh is the top tier set of affection. It's like, thank you. It's like, I know it's a little basic, but who doesn't like a good laugh? Okay, guys, pay attention, okay? Just note them down. Get your notebook and get your pen and start writing. So number 8, 8? Did I lose count? Number 7, right? Number 7. So at number 7, we have when you hold us, like literally hold us, like literally to hold our hand or like play with our hair or hold our faces, it'll make your girl's heart melt. Literally, girls love physical touch. It just reassures us that you still like us, because we are tiny little sensitive asses, Just play with, if you play with your girl's hair, I'm telling you, hats off. That's literally what your girl wants, okay? Okay, just focus on my face, okay? When a guy touches any part of the body, like a boyfriend or some, it literally gives us butterflies. Tiny orgasm. Sorry. So at number 6 is, so like, guys, if you're meeting after a long time or even after just a nap, just hold your girl into a hug and hug her for really long and tightly. It's like, snuggle her. And if that doesn't make her cry, I don't know what will. And especially if she's hangry or she's on a period, it's really gonna make her cry. No, it's just gonna make her more affectionate towards you. You know? Megan Thee Stallion. Yes. And number 5, guys, pay attention. And number 5 we have, if you're kissing a girl. Okay, this gets a little explicit here. If you're kissing a girl, then kiss her slowly, like sensually, slowly. This will get her to beg. And when she begs, I'm literally telling you, there's 100% chance that she wants more of you. So if you're kissing a girl, just don't rush it. Kiss her slowly. Yes. What has gotten into me? I don't know. Number 4, this is the top tier move. If you want to get a girl to like you even more, this is a top tier move. Give her your freaking clothes, boy. Give her all your hoodies, t-shirt, jeans, boyfriend jeans, yes sir. Hoodies, yes sir. T-shirts, even better. Jewelry, don't even ask. And some beanies, wouldn't ever say no to that. Wouldn't I? Girls, comment down below if until now these were correct or not, because I honestly think they are correct. Like, not me snitching, but these are correct. So next, moving on to the 3 musketeers of winning a girl's heart over are: share your freaking secrets with us. When you share your secrets with your girl, this will make her feel like you trust her, and that will make her chances going crazy low. So just tell her your secrets. What are your fears? You know, when you have deep convos, when you tell your secrets and have deep convos, that makes a girl even more dedicated towards you. It's like, have deep conversations with your girl. Like, if you really like her, even love her, have deep conversations and let her know that yes, I trust you with whole heart. When you tell her something, that will make reassured that you still like her. Yes. And at number 2, we have talk about your day with your girl. Simple. When even on phone, on FaceTime, or on video call, or on WhatsApp, or even on chatting, just tell her what you did all day and just tell her about your day. Talk to her every day. You know, talking and communication is the key in winning a girl's heart. Even if this sounds cliche, I know, but just talking is the key. You have to tell her everything, what you know, what you want. Even talking about your future with her will make her go crazy. And also a little freaky. And number 1, we have drum rolls, please. Okay, what was that? I don't know. Drum rolls, please. We have: grab your freaking girl by her waist and pull her freaking closer to you. If that didn't give her butterflies, I don't know what will. And then if you want to top it off like a cherry on top, kiss her slowly, like number 6 or whatever number that was. Yes, grab her like this, like touch her waist like this, then pull her towards you, pull her closer, then kiss her. I'm telling you, this will drive her nuts. It's like, I cannot contain my love for you inside me. This will make her fall in love. And with that, we conclude this session of spilling the tea on girls part 1. If you want more videos like this, comment down below. And girls, if you agreed these were correct or not, comment down below, like this video and share with this with guys. And the guys, yes guys, go use the tactics on your girl. She won't even notice that you watched this video, and now I'm helping you to win your girl over again. So guys, like this video, share this with a friend, because obviously the homies and the bros help each other. So you share this video with your guy friends. And yes, that is it for this week's video, and see you soon. Bye.
Have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil.